Welcome to our video tutorial for HouseTrack emails found under website admin settings. In this video, we'll cover the options found under HouseTrack emails. HouseTrack emails are the email notices sent to registered users to notify them of listings that match the criteria of searches they've saved. These settings control the setting and content of HouseTrack emails. And with that, let's get started. Under HouseTrack email, you can set the subject line used in the email notice. Next is message header. This is not the body message and can be left blank. After this is message. This is where you can compose the main body message. The items seen here are macros and will be used to insert the relevant information, most importantly, the HouseTrack Data macro. After this, you can choose to include your signature. You can edit your signature from your account profile, which is linked here. Next is HouseTrack Expiration. This sets the default duration that the HouseTrack notices will be active and notify those registered of new listings matching their criteria. And that concludes our video tutorial for HouseTrack emails found under website admin settings. If you'd like to learn more, please feel free to check out the other videos on our channel. Subscribing to our channel will get you updates and tutorials about our newest features and improvements as they're released. Most importantly, if you still need help or just have questions, please let us know. We'd be more than happy to help you. Give our lead service team a call at 866-645-7700. We're open Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. Central Time.